Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In this one I'll show you how to replace the analog stick on your Joy-Con. I got this one from AliExpress. The quality is pretty solid and it works just fine. In case you're looking for one, you can find it on my Bacon's page below. After replacement I will also demonstrate you the calibration process. So grab your tools and let's get started. And that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. If so, please like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!